I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your document and invoking Find Now. Press Ctrl+F to open the navigation pane. Once done, decide if you need exact matches, whole words only, or case sensitivity, because that choice changes the method. For fast checks, use the simple search box. For multi-term, complex matches move immediately to Advanced Find. Make sure to note the words you want and any punctuation or word forms, since those details determine whether to use wildcards, Boolean-style queries, or repeated simple searches. Now you continue with Advanced Find when single searches won't cut it. Open Home, right arrow, find right arrow, Advanced Find, set match case or whole words only as needed, then enable use wildcards for pattern matching. This lets you combine terms with parentheses and the vertical bar to act like or. If wildcards feel risky, search one term, click Find in right arrow main document, right arrow highlight all, then repeat for the next term so you accumulate highlights. This step saves time and creates a visible map of every hit. Finish by reviewing every match. Walk through with Find Next and confirm whether to edit or replace. When replacing, use Replace with Preview or Advanced Replace so you don't alter unintended text, and always save a backup copy first. If you combine searches with highlights, clear them when done. If results seem off, make sure to toggle use wildcards or match case. Often the mismatch is a single option, and then rerun the search. This single troubleshooting step fixes most false positives or missed hits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.